These are the animals that use literal body horror to survive. Number 1. The sea cucumber. When attacked, it violently vomits its own toxic internal organs out of its body to tangle the predator and simply regenerates new ones later. Number 2. The Texas horned lizard. It intentionally builds up intense blood pressure inside its own head until the vessels violently explode, shooting a blinding stream of toxic blood directly out of its eyeballs. Number 3. The spiny mouse. Its skin is as fragile as wet paper. If grabbed, it physically tears its own flesh off to escape the bite, leaving the predator behind while it runs away. Number 4. The hairy frog. This is crazy because to defend itself, it physically snaps its own finger bones in half and forces the jagged splinters through its skin to use as biological Wolverine claws.